Baked zucchini with ham and Parmesan. Quick, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. Let's start by slicing 2 zucchinis into thin rounds. Look how beautiful they are. Each slice already makes your mouth water just by looking at it. As we slice, you can already imagine the fresh aroma that will fill the kitchen while baking. Once sliced, transfer all the rounds to a large bowl. You can already notice the light, natural aroma of the zucchini. Now season with salt to taste, about 1.4 ounces of grated Parmesan, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. To add that crispy touch, mix in 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Mix everything very well, making sure every slice is evenly coated. Take a moment to enjoy the colors, the texture, and the delicious aroma of the mixture. Now it's time to assemble, where the real magic happens. Grab a baking dish and arrange the first layer of zucchini, placing each slice carefully. Next, add about 3.2 ounces of sliced ham, covering the entire zucchini layer. Don't be shy, we want every bite to be full of flavor. Now comes the shredded mozzarella, a generous layer that will melt and create that creamy, golden topping everyone loves. To finish, add the remaining zucchini as the final layer, ensuring a perfect balance of flavor and texture. Just look at this beautiful, colorful dish. Green zucchini, pink ham, and white cheese. It already makes you want to dig in. Before baking, drizzle a little more olive oil on top to enhance the flavor and give it a nice shine. Preheat your oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 40 minutes. And finally, the best moment, taking it out of the oven. What a sight! Golden zucchini, creamy melted cheese, and flavorful ham, all ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy the dish you prepared with so much care. This recipe is perfect for impressing family, friends, or simply treating yourself. And tell me in the comments, who's making this recipe tomorrow?